Here you see I have connected the SpyPen with my PC tower in a free USB slot. If it's charged, the red light blink 1 second. Every 1 second the light blink, and so you can see that the pen is charging. Now I'll show you the function of this pen. On this side you see the camera lens, and on the other side we have here two holes. The holes on bottom is for the microphone and the hole on top is for the light function. I have here stick an SD card, and if you want now turn on the pen, you have press the button 2 seconds, and you see the green light is permanently on. The light have checked the SD card, if there is a SD card, and it have blinked 1 time. Now the light is permanently on, and if you want now take a photo, you press 1 time. You see the light, the green light blinks 1 second, and this is for you the signal that it have take a photo. If we press again the button, we can see another photo had been taken. Now if you want to do a video, you press maybe 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and you see there is no green light anymore. Now is the video mode, and you can now do a video. So no lights are here. If you now want to stop the video, you press again, and the light turn on in green. So this is a standby modus. Green light is every standby modus. If you want now do a second video, you have to press again 2 or 3 seconds, and you are now again in video modus. Now you can do a video with the sound. To stop the video, you press again the button, and you are in standby modus. Now you can take a photo again. You have to press 1 time, and it have take a photo. If you want to turn off the pen, you have to press the button now maybe 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see the pen have another light, is red light, and it shows you that the pen is turned off. Now the pen is turned off, and it do no video and is no standby modus. Now I turn it on, 2 seconds, 1, 2, and the pen is turned on, and it have checked the SD card. Now I can do photos, and now I can do videos again. So it is again in video mode, and now I turn it off. First stop the video mode, and now turn it off. Wrong.